Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1965 Ford GT. Now this is a real GT. It's been restored back to factory specs, numbers matching K-code motor. It's absolutely stunning. What I want you to do right now is click on that bell icon that lets you turn on notifications and follow the page so you get updated anytime we do a video and you don't miss out on a car of your dreams like this one. Gosh, absolutely stunning. Now the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to get a chance to see the vehicle out in the sun in its natural habitat here and virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this world. I'm going to try to get you to feel what it's like going down the road in this. You get to hear it, see it firsthand. For all additional information, when we're finished here, go on over to volocars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, a huge detailed write-up, all the information we know about these vehicles we want to pass on to you before you make this purchase. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot get over this. All right, let's hop on in. The door opens with supreme ease. Shuts nice. Go ahead and get the seatbelt on here. Looking at the interior, this is gorgeous. It looks brand new, like I just hopped back into 1965. The seats look impeccable. The dash is in excellent shape. I love this cluster up here, the originality of it all. I just can't say enough nice stuff about this car. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. Let's look right here. Just everything. I noticed the horn's not hooked up. We can take care of that. But it has, like I said, your cluster here, fuel, oil, battery, engine temp, tachometer. The clock works here. The radio. The radio works. I don't know if I'm hearing the fan or not over this. And this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take this out. So we're going to be experiencing everything firsthand together. If there's any quirks or anything, we'll know about it. Then we get to take it on back to the shop and fix it. So yeah, let's go for a ride. The clutch does have a little more spring than normal, so it's something to get used to. First, there it is. Sorry, we drive so many different cars, it takes some time to get used to, but once you do it, it's like riding a bike. I see the tachometer's working, speedo's working. Going through all 4 gears here. Drives nice and straight. Sounds good going over the bumps. Hear a little bit of rattle in the trunk. I don't know what we have in there right now. Driving around in this. It's so beautiful, fun to drive. Thinking other people have 65s, but not like this one. It's easy to control. One of these days I'll figure out third gear. He said the whole time, it's just a great drive-through. It looks beautiful. This could still be your trailer queen, or you can take it out and enjoy it. Either way, you're definitely winning. That it handles really easy. I'm seeing minimal play, if any, in the steering wheel. On it one more time. Like I said, super easy to control when you're slamming through the gears. Everything about this car is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click that bell icon so you can turn on notifications and follow our page. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out all the pictures, the detailed write-up. And Jay has a video as well on this one, I know. Check that out and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.